Pickles, welcome back to my channel, or alternatively if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Why don't you stick around and subscribe and make sure you hit that bell so you're notified every time I upload and you never miss anything from me. Okay, it's been a hot minute since I've done a speaking YouTube intro, so hi, this is weird. So to ease myself back into YouTube, I suppose I've done this look for you guys today. I filmed this look for you. It's one of my favourite looks I've ever done. I've done a little Insta video on it, which is over on my Instagram, which you can go and check out. Shameless plug, follow me at Leanne Audrey Makeup. But because it's one of my favourite looks I've ever done, I wanted to obviously do a longer version with a voiceover for you guys. So if you wanted to, you could recreate it yourselves. Why am I don't know. I'm not going to ramble on and talk on my hands for too much longer. So without any further ado, I hate when YouTubers say that. Why am I saying it? Let's just jump into the video. Okay. So the first shade we're using is Prune from Melchior, which is this gorgeous deep purple. Using a small pencil brush, I'm just packing that into the crease really heavily, not being afraid to build up that pigment, going back and forth, all the way from inner corner to outer corner in quite a rounded shape. This shade is amazing for creating depth, for cut creases, halo eyes, things like that. It makes the perfect first shade for pretty much any look, just being honest. And once I'd packed it on, I'm just now starting to blend it out and diffuse those edges. You can see how easily and nicely this blends. If you haven't tried Melchior eyeshadows yet, then I really do recommend them. No one's surprised that the 3503 is making another appearance, and I'm taking the shade Unstoppable from the palette as my next shade, and I'm just applying this slightly above where I placed Melchior Prune. Again, packing the colour on first of all, and then diffusing the edges. I treat it as two separate steps, and I find this way my eye look doesn't become muddy and everything just blends that little bit easier. You don't have to work from darkest shade to lightest shade, but I find it creates the boldest colours. For my lightest shade or my transition shade, I'm then taking NYX Butterscotch, and this is the most gorgeous yellow. Now don't mind how messy the eye look starts to look right now. You have to trust the process at this point. All we're doing at the minute is laying down our initial colours in the place that they're going to be, and then we'll go through with our sandwich stages and build the intensity up. So like I say, trust the process, ignore how it looks now. You can see me going back in with all the colours that I've used in the crease so far and just building them up and blending them out until I'm happy. It isn't over, it isn't finished until you're happy with it. It's as simple as that. If you guys would like me to do a video specifically on my blending and my techniques, then let me know down in the comments below and I can do that. It'd definitely be easier just to do a video based solely around that rather than trying to explain it in one of these sort of specific eye look videos. So like I say, just let me know down in the comments. Also, can you see why I said trust the process? Because how much different does that look now? This is the Jealousy Eye Base in Creme, and it is honestly the most opaque product you can use for cutting creases. It works like a dream. It's got a matte finish and it's just gorgeous. So as you can see, I'm just cutting a half cut crease in, extending it perhaps a little more than halfway across the lid, and just working on making sure that it's got a nice even rounded shape. I do have a discount code down in the description below for Jealousy Cosmetics, so if you want to grab your own base, make sure you check that out. Once I'm good and happy with the shape, then I just drag along the edge to blend it, and build back up with prune to totally blend that away so there's no harsh lines. You know how we like our half cut creases here. Once the base is set, that's when we're going to take Mint, again from Melchior. I really do love these eyeshadows, guys. I'm not even joking. Not sponsored either. They are just amazing. Look at the pigmentation on that. And I'm just filling in where we've cut the crease. And it's just such a gorgeous contrasting shade. Really taking care around where we've cut the crease to keep that nice sharp line totally smooth. This is the point where if you're not careful you could ruin it, so just take those few extra moments just to really make sure you nail it. To blend Mint into prune, we're taking Deep Space now, again from Melchior, and just using that as a bridge shade between the two, and it just helps the colours melt into one another so perfectly and beautifully. And honestly, just look at the way it transforms this look. Now this look is lovely as it is, but a little bit of sparkle goes a long way. This is a body glitter from Barry M. I don't know if it's actually eye safe, but I guess I just take that risk and I apply it with the NYX glitter primer on a fluffy brush so it's more dispersed and not an opaque covering of glitter. We don't want to cover up that gorgeous eyeshadow after all, but look at the difference it makes. It really does elevate the look to another level. I'm totally checking it out in the viewfinder there, but you could leave the glitter off, but it really is so worth the extra step. It just takes the look from 0 to 100 instantly. For liner, to give it a little bit of drama, I use the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. You can use your preference, any will do, liquid, gel, whatever you prefer. It really doesn't matter as long as you get a nice, strong, bold black line. Of course, we're using lashes. Hello, have you met me? And these are the Lily lashes in Mykonos. I've been dying to get them for ages and I finally got my hands on them. So they're probably going to be in every single video I make for the next however long. So look forward to that. But any lashes of your choice will do. The more dramatic the better in my opinion, but that's just me. For under the eye, we're just going to mirror the crease shades. So Prune, Unstoppable and Butterscotch just blended together. Smoke it out as much as you want. It can be as grungy or as soft as you like. We love a good grungy under eye here. I think I say it in every single video, but it does just finish off the look so nicely. I swear this step is going to make so many people recoil, but I use the Jeffree Star Liquid Lip in Breakfast at Tiffany's to line my waterline. Don't panic, these are eye safe, although it does feel a little weird at first. So worth it though, because it perfectly complements that lid shade. For inner corner highlight, we're using Moonlight pigment from Peaches and Cream. I don't know how to describe the colour of this. It's just gorgeous and it works so nicely. You can see how popping that inner corner highlight is. Ooh, she fine. So there you have it. This is how I achieved this look. Hopefully it was thorough enough for you guys and you really enjoyed it. Let me know down below, leave me a comment. Make sure you hit the like button, it really helps. And as I said, if you haven't already, you can always subscribe, that would be amazing. You can find me on other social medias as well. Everything you need is in the description down there. I'm still figuring out my schedule, my upload schedule, but as soon as I've got a schedule pinned down, I will let you guys know. I guess I'll see you in the next video. Take care, Pickles. Love you. Bye.